Yes po.
Nalaman mo yun?
Opo.
Are you friends?
Yes po, kami po ni
Alam mo kung
Brenda.
bakit? Because before the big night, I think you said na hindi ka dapat maging bahagi ng Ultimate 8. Correct me if I'm wrong, si Lela. Tama ba? And then, prior to that, I think, sinabi din niya na hindi ka dapat maging, or something to that effect. I mean, you know, what was that? What was that exchange?
Ako, hindi naman po, wala naman po akong na-feel na negative doon sa sinabi
No, but you said
ni
that,
Bella.
you said it, and she said it about you.
Yes po.
Oo. Why? Why was it necessary? Hindi ko alam kasi yung konteksto eh. You had to say it because...
Kasi may utos po si Kuya noon na kulang pa po sa pagpapakatotoo. And ako po...
Ayun yung sinabi,
Yes
oo,
po.
na kulang sa hindi nagpapakatotoo sa loob ng bahay. And then, I'm sorry.
And yun, doon ko po napili si Lela and si Miguel po. Dahil yun po talaga yung nilalaman ng heart ko. And I'm very honest po na yun po talaga yung nafe-feel ko nung time na yun.
Okay, so that was coming from your heart. Pero yung narinig mo, nung sinabi na hindi ka karapat-dapat maging bahagi naman ng, maging part ng Ultimate 8,
Yes.
nasaktan ka?
Ako po hindi naman po ako nasaktan.
Were you able to talk about it, kayong dalawa?
Kami po, siya po na parang nagsasorry po siya. Sabi ko, wala pong problema doon. Dahil
Oh.
kinailangan niya lang naman po talagang sagutin yun. Kasi the ultimate tapatan po talaga yun. At alam ko po na nahirapan din po siya o natagalan din po siya.
I understand
sa-
now.
Oh.
Alam ko na yung konteksto.